Good morning. Happy Friday to everybody. Nice brisk Friday out here in Forest Hill, Maryland. Got a neat little project going. Kind of working along with the homeowner. He's got an old epay deck that he put a storage room underneath, done by others. And over the years, he's just had this leak he's been chasing. So he wasn't able to keep the storage room underneath dry. He's got like a little workshop down there. So he called us up, seeing if we could come up with a solution. We told him about the RainEscape system. He liked it. He came out, he removed all his deck boards and railing. So he opted to do the RainEscape system with a new vinyl railing with the black round balusters and a few post cap lights. Got the RainEscape system in. So you see he's got all the deck boards off, put the RainEscape system down. He had us put a picture frame around the outside perimeter. When we put the fascia board on, it kind of protects that from getting all messed up. So we got the RainEscape system on. Guys are working on the railing now. So we had to get all this flashed up against the house. It's kind of where he was having most of his problems, is where the deck met the house. So guys will get the railings on today, get all the lighting in. Got a railing going all the way down here. We got a gutter guy coming out later today. He's going to install a gutter and downspout for us. I'll show you where that goes. So we put all our little drops on the outside of his main beam here. And we'll throw a gutter right on this beam here, right underneath all these drops. Carry the water down to the outside corner here, down that support post, and tie it back into, it's got like a little pop-up drain down here somewhere. So you can see the old system. He had the gutter jammed up in here. He said we can just leave that there. So he also had this leak coming in this door here. So we padded out the outside joist here. Like I said, we put our picture frame on, and we'll put some white PVC trim on top of that, and hopefully that'll also take care of the door, the leak that he had going through the door. Thanks for watching. We hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. I know it's a little brisk. I think we're looking at like 28 degrees, but hey, get outside.